Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna just talk about today's price action. If you check my weekly bias video, uh, I've already outlined where the price is gonna from the first of this week. This is the weekly fair value gap, monthly fair value gap high, and there is the monthly fair value gap low. So from the beginning of this week, I was bearish, and today, actually yesterday, it has just tapped to the monthly fair value gap, and this is today's price action. I'll discuss about it now. This 15-minute chart. So you see, yesterday it has just stepped into the monthly fair value gap, then go higher. This is whole the London session and the midnight trading. Market goes up to just to this water block, 15-minute water block, then break lower. You can say this is whole liquidity taking over here, market structure shift, and the fair value gap is here. Though it has tapped here, and yeah, so if you mark it like that way, let me check it. Okay, this is whole liquidity taking, shift the market structure, and that is your fair value gap. This is ICT's 22YT model. Market tapped here, break lower, come back again, and this is the today's opening gap. That means from 6 to 9:30 open. This is the gap. This is the consequent encroachment of that gap. Market come back to that consequent encroachment, break lower, lower, and this hourly fair value gap was my target. The top of that hourly fair value gap. I was thinking that it will come here, then whatever it will do, I wasn't worried about that because this is my target. So that's all, from here to here. That was my today's target. Let's go to the 1 minute. First we will see the morning session. What did it happen over there? So at morning session, 8:30, it has just go up to the water block, made a lot of resistance over here, but this is the water block level from the 15 minutes. So market respect the water block, as our bias is bearish. Break lower, come back to this fair value gap over here. Maybe 2 3 4 minutes you will find a fair value gap here. Break lower, this is the fair value gap, tapped here, lower, come back again. I don't see any good setup in the morning session today. It can happen because yesterday was FOMC day, so it is very simple to be choppy in the morning session after a big run day. So I didn't find any setup over here. I'll talk about the PM session. So here is the PM session. This is the starting of that PM session here. Yeah, this is 1 PM. I saw this high and this high, they're very equal, and all of these highs, this place is very equal. I was expecting this candle to go higher, clear all of this liquidity over here, then break down, but it didn't happen. It has just made the equal high. As per ICT, if market want to clear the liquidity, it can go to the level or up to the level. So it was at the level, it has done his job, and also support the consequent encroachment of the new week opening, today's opening range gap. You see the gap middle consequent encroachment, it has perfectly respect that middle of that gap. Break lower, come back lower. All of this place I was watching the price, I was thinking it will go up and take some liquidity over here, but it didn't give me any chance to take that, so I was waiting. When market come inside the monthly fair value gap and there was a big run, you see the energy, it's not like this, not like that, it is big run, just displacement. So I marked out this fair value gap, middle of this fair value gap, market go there beautifully, it has worked over there and then come back down. In that case I also waiting to go market higher, clear all of this liquidity, but it didn't happen. From here, from this place, New York silver bullet has started here to here. This is the, okay, let me just make a box over here. From 230 to 3. This is the silver bullet zone. Market didn't take any liquidity from here, it breaks lower. Then here is my trade. I'll show you how it has worked over here. These highs, they're very equal. Market goes up. This is the 5-minute order block. Let me show you. You see this order block, this order block. So this water block, 5-minute water block, market goes, respect that water block, break lower. So here I have found my 22 YT model. Market took some liquidity, break lower. This is the displacement, and you see this gap. This is ICT's I fair value gap. So I marked it, and you see extend it right. I marked the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap, I fair value gap, and this is the legal fair value gap, 22 YT model. If you see, this is the fair value gap. Let me open the execution here. Okay, so when market come here to this level, I took the entry. You see here at the middle of the I fair value gap, I took entry. I took the sell short. My stop loss was above this fair value gap. Although I took the short here, I was concerned about this fair value gap. Market can easily go to that, maybe middle or little bit upper of the middle, then come down. So I took entry here. My stop loss was over here, and my target was there, just the upper portion of the hourly fair value gap. You remember this is the hourly fair value gap. Today's my target. So okay. It was a very energetic run. Maybe in the second chart there was a gap. That's why my trade has closed here. But actually my profit target is over here. I have uploaded the video to my channel already. You can check that out. It's a fast forward video. I've just explained why I took this trade from here to here. It's like 6 handle. I was thinking to, take some partial over here, then rest of all I will hold, but I wasn't isn't confident about that, because you see all of this place there has a lot of liquidity, so market could easily come here and reverse, though market just go lower and lower and lower, but it could happen. So that was my today's video, today's trade. I have taken only one trade today. That's all. Thank you guys. See you again.